Life moves quickly, like wind brushing past your skin. We don't get to live it twice. So let this moment remind you to choose joy, to speak your heart, to try bravely, and to love deeply. Because one day, all of this becomes memory. So allow the moments you live to be the ones that warm your heart. Take a deep breath and let's begin. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes. Inhale slowly. Exhale softly. Let your body melt into stillness. Feel the ground beneath you holding you, steady and warm. Let your breath fall into a gentle rhythm. Each inhale brings calm and clarity. Each exhale releases tension and noise. Let your shoulders drop. Let your chest open. Let your heart soften. Now bring your awareness to something we rarely pause to notice. Life has a way of flowing quietly past us. Moments blend into days, and days into years before we even notice. But this moment, right now, has slowed just for you. A quiet offering of presence. A reminder that your life is blooming here, breath by breath. Take a deep breath in and let this truth rest gently within you. Life is a beautiful journey, meant to be felt, explored, and lived with an open heart. So choose what lights you up. Tell the people you love how you feel. Say yes to the things that call you forward. You deserve a life that feels alive in your bones. Imagine now that you're standing in a wide open field. Warm sunlight touching your skin. The breeze is gentle, carrying peace into your heart. All around you, tiny glowing orbs float like fireflies. These are the moments of your life. Some you've lived. Some still waiting for you to claim. Reach out to one glowing light. Feel its warmth, its promise. This is a moment you long for. A moment that would fill you, move you, expand you. Maybe it's a trip you've always wanted to take. Maybe it's a conversation, a leap, a laughter, a love. Hold it gently in your heart. Breathe into that feeling and let it grow. Let it warm your chest, your shoulders, your whole body. Let it remind you of the preciousness of being alive. To laugh loudly. To love boldly. To say yes when your soul whispers, go. With each slow breath, repeat silently, I choose moments that matter. I choose joy. I choose courage. I choose love. Let these phrases settle like seeds in rich soil. They will guide you gently long after this meditation ends. Begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel your chest rise and fall. Feel the calm settling into your being. You are grounded. You are alive. You are someone filled with light, kindness, and quiet beauty. And you are ready to make your moments count. Take a final deep breath in and a long breath out. And cradle this truth softly within your heart. Life drifts by like light on water. So say yes to your joy. Laugh out loud like a child. Love with a wide, open heart. And fill your life with moments worth reminiscing. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Return to your day, present, grateful, and beautifully awake.